Hey boys and girls, Gary Lee here. Today I got some tips for basically planting post holes, whether it's wooden post holes for a fence or who knows what. And this starts with the preposition that the holes are already done. So I don't know if you want to use a manual post hole digger or my new favorite tool, a post hole digger on a small tractor. But either way, we're starting with the holes dug. The project I'm working on has 14 posts, some 4-foot tall welded steel wire, and 2 gates, and it's going to be basically a dog run in my backyard. Let's see if I can provide you with some quick tips, and we'll go from there. So this is the area I'm working in, and I've already started a few posts, but you can see that it's just going to go around, and the dogs can come out this little porch over there. By the way, I'm on St. George Peninsula in Maine. Of course, the holes are dug already with this amazing machine. And basically I went down a couple of feet, probably not to code, but it's a dog fence. And up here you can see the little piece of wood that basically just has 2 holes and string. And the string comes down and has a couple of weights on the bottom, just so you can get an idea whether or not the post is level, is being set true. After you get it roughly the way you want it, just some simple scrap wood with points on the bottom to help dig in, and a simple nail just to keep it from going left and right, back and forth. Once you pour the concrete in the hole, you can readjust those things until you get it just right. So let's go mix some cement. So I'm using these 80-pound bags of Quikrete, and I'm mixing them up in this cement mixer. This is really key to the job. I bought this one at Harbor Freight, and really, with the motor on there and everything, it was only, I think, $225. But I'm going to get all that back just in today's use, I think. You can rent one for maybe 50 bucks a day. Just shop smart for these things, because even the big box stores, sometimes they're $400 or $500, which is ridiculous. So basically 1 bag with 3 quarts of water mixed in there, dumped in there, and that handles about a post and a third. Let's do this. Just put a good size rebar centered underneath the bag of concrete that weighs 80 or 90 pounds. Put a slice in the top. And basically lift up the rebar to make 2 45-pound bags. First, I'm going to put 1 of the quarts in here just to keep the cement from sticking to the sides. I'm guessing that I should probably shut the mixer off before I put water in there, and all kinds of other OSHA violations, no doubt, but it's just me. Getting there. Doesn't take long. It mixes a lot better when it's almost horizontal, which is controlled by that arm. Oh, baby. It's about ready. And that is destined for hole number 3 over here. Probably have to get around from the back side. I'll just keep lining up these supports as I go. I still have some left over so that I can build a little bit of a cone around the base to help keep water from draining in. But first of all, I want to make sure this is fairly level, so I'm going back to my string. This one looks good. And this one's not bad. Could go a little bit forward. I'll do that. Check the level. Looks pretty good. And that one's still good. So now I'll just add some more to make the cone. That's pretty good. Just a slight mound around the base. Just enough to let the water drip the other way. Okay, so this one's done. This one actually took the whole 80-pound bag. Your hole size may vary. Okay, so just as like a review, I'll go ahead and go on to this one. Take my little leveling device and put it on the top. Stretch it out. This is about the right consistency. It should look like oatmeal. Try to get the nose of the wheelbarrow as close to the post as possible without hitting it. Sometimes this takes some adjustment. And take your time. Get in there. Get in there. There you go.